What is up, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy S.O.B. So today what we got going on, I'm walking over to the good old drift seat right now, but I'm actually about to go meet up with the rest of the team, with the rest of the Show Boys, and we're gonna have a couple games of S.O.B being played on the bikes, which is pretty much like playing a game of P.I.G. So it's where two people go up against each other. They pretty much gotta copy each other's tricks or moves or whatever they do, and if one of the people gets it wrong, then obviously they get a letter. So you will get like a P, then you'll get an I, then a G. But in this case, since we're playing S.O.B, you'll get an S, a O, and a B, and then you're out. We're gonna head over to the spot and meet up with the rest of the guys. See y'all once we get there. All right, y'all, so we finally made it over here to the lot. Got the whole gang over here. I gotta tie my shoes up real fast, but like I was telling y'all before, we about to get a couple games in at S.O.B. He wants to see me on the KX100.
Yeah, sure. He wants to see me on the KX100. I need to see something, duh. Need to know hands to chop me.
He said, I need to see something, dog. Hey, yo, they be killing me. Who are you?
Yo, chill.
Who are you?
What you mean?
What you mean? They
S.O.B Mike, nigga. S.O.B Mike.
What's your gram?
King Mike 215. Hey, man.
Who are you? You don't know who you are?
Censor.
You're the mask killer, huh? With no helmet? Okay, what's your gram, mask killer? He said mask killer. He said, you're not gonna get me. Who are you, sir?
S.O.B__Mark.
Okay, that's your gram name? Okay, what you working with? What you on?
450.
Uh-oh, big 450.
He's for any upcoming rider.
Ooh, and how old are you?
15.
Uh-oh. 15-year-old on a big 450. Who are you, sir? Another masked magician?
Yeah, Rondo 46.
Uh-oh.
150 killer, giving off smoke to whoever.
Y'all heard him. He on that 21 thing. Don't play with him. Don't play with him. But we about to get a couple games popping real fast. I'm gonna play a couple games at S.O.B. It's just like P.I.G, but it's gonna be lit. I'm gonna give y'all a bracket too. All right, so our first battle, we're gonna have S.O.B Mark go up against S.O.B Mike. He's coming right now. He on that big 450. Yo, we need you. We didn't tell y'all who this guy was. Who are you, sir?
Y'all know who I am, man. Big S.O.B shit, you know, big all capital shit, you know what I mean? Show out, shut down, what else we say? Show out and shut up, you know who the I am. I'm not even gonna say my name. I mean, if I had jets, I'd be the champion out here today. So, I mean,
yeah, you talking a lot.
Get this.
You talking too crazy, bro.
He'd have been my victim. That's why he said it first. He'd have been my victim. It's cool.
Hey, yo.
Look, like I said, I'd have been a champion out here. If my bike was running, I'd have been S.O.B champ out here.
Hey, yo. He coming through. Yo. Oh man, Chris come through on a scooter acting crazy. I never seen him doing some stuff like that before. First game, we got these two knuckleheads right here. S.O.B Mike versus S.O.B Mark.
I don't know.
Are you comfortable on your bike?
Yeah, I'm comfortable.
Rock out with your bike. You comfortable on your bike? Goddamn. You want to get on the 85?
He more.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro.
So you're going to have to rock out on that?
Get on the
Bro,
150.
get on the 250.
Me get on the 250?
Yes.
I'll snowboard him up on
They having difficulties figuring out what bikes they want to use.
How you play that?
All right, so
I don't know how to play that.
we got y'all playing a game on S.O.B. This is how it works, right? So, say you go first, right? Say you want to do a trick. You want to hop to the seat and hop back down. If you do that, you must hop to the seat and jump back down and land it, meaning you must ride out the wheelie, drop back to slow it down, and then put your bike down after that. That's how you land a trick, understood? So, now, if you want to wheelie from maybe that white line all the way down to that white line, that could be your trick. Now it's up to y'all. It's only.
If you do that, I'm gonna try it. I'm not gonna get you.
You gonna make him fall, bro.
No, I'm not. Come on, bro. No, I'm not. Come on.
All right,
Stop jinxing me. I'm gonna let you go first. Go ahead.
All right, so listen, it's only 3 letters.
Don't touch the ground, bro.
Wait, so you
I'm gonna have to take that letter.
Us 3 judging.
Wait, how about
So we got White Osama judging. We got Rondo 46 judging. and we got S.O.B. Rule judging.
Yeah, that's a letter for me.
We got Simon over there judging too. So look, every time before y'all go, make sure y'all come back here and report to let us know what y'all gonna do so we know.
I'm gonna touch, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm
So you gonna touch the ground?
I'm gonna touch.
All right, so listen, you only get a certain amount of space. So the start line is gonna be right here at the cars so that we can see what's going on. The end line is gonna be that pole right there, that very first pole.
So that's where we gotta jump down at. Well, we gotta jump down right here.
Y'all gotta be able to drop back and be able to show us that you can control the bike before y'all pass that pole right there. And the start line is right here at the trucks.
Start line here from to there?
Yes, sir.
Who that's so?
Imagine doing the stunt show and being in a smaller spot.
Bro, that's literally pick the bike up and just you gotta do it.
Hey, listen, I didn't say you couldn't start from back there. I said the start line is right here.
So that's what I thought. So you can pick, you can't pick it up until you get here. No, right?
No, you could pick it up before, but you gotta start doing your trick or whatever you want to do by this spot.
Oh, so you gotta.
And you gotta complete it before that pole.
Trick in this area.
Correct.
But you can pick the bike up anyway. But you gotta.
Correct. So you say you're gonna touch the ground? You're gonna touch. All right, come on, Mark, move over so we can watch him touch the ground. So we want to be able to see you touch the ground somewhere in this area before you get past that pole. No, back him up. Do it in seconds. How you feel? No land?
Control it.
No control?
After your trick,
How you feel? No control?
You gotta keep going.
Yeah. So all the judges agreed that you didn't land it. Sorry.
Alright, so that's a letter?
No, it's not a letter. You started off. You had the first trick. He would have had to copy your trick if you would have landed
I
it.
ain't do it though, because
Yeah,
it ain't
so he
count.
gotta
Right. So now he gets to do whatever he wants to do. So now you get to choose your trick. So what do you want to do?
Pick up one hand.
Pick up with one hand. Okay, let's go.
Come on, Mark. He said drop back, right? He said he gonna pick the bike up and drop back with one hand. Right?
What did he do?
He just picked the bike up. He ain't even drop back. He just picked the bike up a little bit and then put his hand back. Right?
He said, what did he do? Hold on.
That's a letter. You might start. That's a
Bro,
letter.
no, it don't
y'all
work
judges,
like
man.
that.
What was that?
I thought I was going.
You said
Pick
you
up
was
one
gonna
hand
pick the
first.
bike up with one hand and drop back.
So
I didn't say
Whoa, whoa! I didn't
That's
say
what
drop
you-
back
you
with
didn't
one
say
hand.
that, Rube?
No, I said I was gonna drop it back at the end where he said we gotta land at the drop back.
You ain't do it.
I ain't
he
seen
did
back
he
to
did
it.
drop back before the pole, but
No, but it-
that pickup with the one hand was a little
You
shiesty.
wasn't off. As soon as you
I
picked
ain't
up,
gonna lie.
he just
your
picked it
hand
up and
had
went
to
like,
be off a little longer for that to
Come
be
on,
a
bro.
good
All right,
trick.
solid. We're gonna get it right this time. Watch this.
So now it's your turn. So
So
the
I
judges
gotta say what
agreed
I'm
that
doing.
you just extend your trick, but you did good. You did good. You're looking good.
I'm gonna do the fucking.
You made it past this
I'm gonna do
point.
look. I'm gonna do the leg over the joint like that.
Oh,
And then, but wait, then I gotta hop back on the bike and keep going.
No, you can just try that. Once you done your trick, just drop back and just show you got
Alright,
control.
I can do. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Watch this.
I'm gonna try that, John. I'm not.
ooh, another fail. You gonna pick up one hand?
Yes, yeah,
And how you gonna do it? You gonna pick it up and drop it back a little bit with one hand?
Simon don't got faith.
Whoa! Oh my God. Yo, yeah, get your folks. No, yeah, get your mans. So how y'all feel about that?
No, that ain't counting.
You don't like
He didn't even
it?
have control by the pole. He was chasing
No
the-
control. How you feel? No control? How you feel?
Controllers.
No control. So,
But don't tell me that's not a land, bro.
You ain't
bro,
controlling.
they're saying like there's no control there.
almost took
You
out
gotta slow it down and
Nah, he
you
almost
know.
took out himself trying to keep up over here.
Hey yo,
Alright, I'm gonna do a fucking.
What you
I'm
going,
gonna do,
baby?
bro. I don't even know what I'm gonna do.
what you gonna do?
Rue, what I'm gonna do?
What you gonna do?
Try new ears. I'm gonna try it.
No hands.
Bro, look,
You already got it
don't
with
do
two
too
strokes.
much. Remember, this is not your bike.
Nah, not right. No, chill.
It's not as hard as y'all think. Y'all thinking too much. Don't think so much. These guys are thinking way too much. Aren't they thinking too much? They not thinking enough.
Yeah.
They not thinking enough, apparently. Let's see what he does. Ah, he had it. He dropped back on the knee knock. He slowed it down, but he couldn't sit down and keep it going. Damn.
I'm gonna try to not land it.
You heard, bro?
He said he's stealing your trick.
Alright.
Oh, if he could keep his bike on. Well, sheesh. He said you cutting that out? This all raw footage. He went past the point that he was supposed to show control at, but
Technically, he didn't land it, but we gonna give it to him because this game is just prolonging itself.
we gotta get it going,
So
right?
he got it. He got
We
it.
gotta get it going, right? So that's a good one, right?
You got it.
You got it. Next
We
time.
gonna give you that. No, that's a land. We're gonna give it to you. Hey yo, you got knee knock. Yeah, you got knee knock.
Sit back down.
Yes, sir. Quick ones. Sit down. Okay.
You got it. Did the trick.
Sorry, sir, but you have S.
Alright.
You gave him an S, so now it's your trick.
Not next time.
All right. What you gonna do?
No hands.
What you going to
I
do?
ain't even with the no hands.
So there's no head, right?
I don't think that's a land.
That's not a land.
Not a land.
No.
How's it looking, Rondo? Did he land it?
No, you didn't land it.
He did not land it. Simon has nothing to say. He said this how you do no hands. Simon said this how you do no hands. No sir. What you got for us?
Waited too long.
You gonna redeem yourself?
I know I keep.
You gonna give him a letter?
Landed back here. You didn't.
Alright, I'm gonna try right hand.
Well, I'm trying to get like.
You tried it,
I'm not.
Simon going crazy. Scraping. He's scraping. Hey yo. Yeah. Oh, he landed the no hands. That's a land, right?
That's a land.
That's a land, right? Yes, you landed it. Good job.
That's what I'm saying. Though.
Now he has to
That's what
copy your trick. Go ahead, you can smile
I'm
now.
saying.
Slow it down. You gotta slow down. Dang, S.O.B. Mark takes a O. So now it's S.O. to nothing. S.O. is one more letter, bro. You gonna touch? That's how you gonna try to finish him?
Yeah.
He said this is his finishing trick.
It's my finishing move right
He said he gonna land this one.
And then what
I don't gotta do all that, right?
No, he ain't called knee knock, but you definitely got to touch. Or it's game over.
Please. You might get your first SOBW.
That was nice. I don't know. We might pull it off.
Oh. And we got our first W given to S.O.B. Mike.
He tried though. I said I like to work.
Yeah, son. Now, we're gonna do Rondo versus me.
You said somebody got hit in traffic.